Certaldo is a medieval hilltop town in the Tuscany region of Italy, known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant cultural scene. One of the town's most remarkable features is its well-preserved medieval center, which offers a fascinating glimpse into the past. The cobbled streets, narrow alleys, and ancient buildings transport visitors back in time to an era when Certaldo was an important strategic settlement. The town's old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, reflecting the enduring charm and historical significance of the area. The buildings in Certaldo feature a mix of Gothic and Renaissance architecture, with many of them still bearing the marks of the town's medieval past. The Certaldo Alto, the upper part of the town, is particularly charming, perched on a hilltop with sweeping views of the surrounding Tuscan countryside. Its medieval fortress, towers, and palaces offer visitors an authentic experience of life in Italy during the Middle Ages. The Palazzo Pretorio, located in the heart of Certaldo Alto, is one of the town's most significant landmarks. This historic building served as the seat of the local government during medieval times, and it is one of the finest examples of Tuscan architecture in the region. The building's impressive facade is adorned with coats of arms and other decorative elements that highlight its importance in Certaldo's history. Inside, visitors can explore the various rooms that once housed the town's rulers and their staff, as well as the beautiful frescoes that decorate the walls. The Palazzo Pretorio now hosts a museum that provides insight into the town's medieval past, including exhibits about the local aristocracy and the town's role in the broader history of Tuscany. The building also serves as a cultural center for the town, hosting art exhibitions and performances throughout the year. Visitors can also enjoy the views from the palace, which overlook the town's quaint streets and the surrounding countryside. Certaldo is famously known as the birthplace of Giovanni Boccaccio, the renowned Italian writer and poet best known for his masterpiece, the Decameron. Boccaccio's influence on Italian literature and Renaissance culture cannot be overstated, and Certaldo celebrates his legacy in several ways. Visitors can explore the Casa di Boccaccio, his childhood home, which is now a museum dedicated to his life and works. The museum features displays about his upbringing, his literary career, and the significant role he played in the development of Italian literature. The town also hosts the Boccaccio Festival, an annual event that honors the writer's legacy through performances, lectures, and literary discussions. For fans of Italian literature and those interested in Boccaccio's life, Certaldo is a must-visit destination that offers a deep dive into the writer's history. The connection between Certaldo and Boccaccio gives the town a unique literary identity, attracting scholars and tourists alike who are eager to learn more about one of Italy's greatest literary figures. In addition to its literary connections, Certaldo is known for its traditional Tuscan cuisine, which reflects the rich agricultural heritage of the region. The town's restaurants and trattorias serve a variety of local dishes made from fresh, seasonal ingredients sourced from the surrounding countryside. One of the highlights of Tuscan cuisine is its focus on simple, high-quality ingredients, such as olive oil, fresh vegetables, and locally grown meats. Certaldo's proximity to vineyards also means that the town's restaurants offer a wide selection of regional wines, including reds like Chianti and whites like Vernaccia. Visitors to Certaldo can indulge in hearty dishes such as ribollita, a rustic vegetable soup, papa al pomodoro, tomato and bread soup, and bistecca alla fiorentina, Florentine steak. The town is also known for its sweets and pastries, including traditional Tuscan cantucci, biscotti, that pair perfectly with a glass of Vin Santo, a local dessert wine. The town's gastronomic offerings give visitors an authentic taste of Tuscany, making it a must-visit destination for food lovers. Certaldo's rich cultural scene is also reflected in its numerous festivals and events that take place throughout the year. One of the most notable events is the Certaldo Medieval Festival, a celebration of the town's medieval history and traditions. This festival takes place each summer and features medieval reenactments, music performances, and local food and wine stalls. Visitors can experience the town as it would have been in the Middle Ages, with costumed actors bringing the streets to life with dramatic performances and battles. The festival is a favorite among both locals and tourists, offering an immersive experience of Certaldo's medieval heritage. In addition to the medieval festival, the town also hosts other cultural events, such as art exhibitions, theater performances, and classical music concerts, further cementing its reputation as a cultural hub in Tuscany. One of Certaldo's most unique features is its panoramic views of the surrounding Tuscan countryside. The town is perched on a hilltop, providing sweeping views of the lush vineyards, olive groves, and distant mountains. These views are especially stunning at sunset, when the warm golden light casts a magical glow over the landscape. Visitors can enjoy the views from various vantage points around the town, including the medieval towers and the walls of the old town. The vistas from Certaldo offer a serene and picturesque escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, and they are one of the main attractions of the town. Whether enjoying a quiet moment in a local cafe or exploring the town's historic sites, visitors are constantly surrounded by breathtaking views that make Certaldo a truly special destination. Certaldo is also known for its art and craftsmanship, with local artisans creating beautiful handmade goods that reflect the region's traditions. The town has a long history of producing high-quality textiles, pottery, and leather goods, and visitors can explore local workshops where they can watch artisans at work. Many of the town's shops sell handmade products, including jewelry, ceramics, and woodwork, providing visitors with the opportunity to take home a piece of Tuscan craftsmanship. The artisans of Certaldo take pride in their work, using traditional techniques that have been passed down through generations. The town also hosts artisan markets and craft fairs, where visitors can purchase unique, one-of-a-kind items that showcase the skills of local craftspeople. The rich tradition of craftsmanship in Certaldo adds to the town's appeal, offering visitors a chance to experience the artistry and creativity that have long been a part of the town's identity. The town's location in Tuscany makes it an ideal base for exploring the surrounding region. Certaldo is located near other famous Tuscan towns, such as Florence, Siena, and San Gimignano, all of which are easily accessible by car or public transport. The town's central location allows visitors to experience the best of Tuscany, from its vineyards and rolling hills to its historic cities and charming villages. Certaldo is also close to the Chianti wine region, making it a great destination for wine enthusiasts who want to explore the local wineries and vineyards. Visitors can easily take day trips from Certaldo to explore nearby towns, making it an ideal destination for those looking to experience the diverse beauty of Tuscany. Certaldo is known for its historic charm, which is evident in its well-preserved buildings, narrow streets, and ancient walls. The town's medieval layout, with its winding lanes and charming piazzas, is a testament to its long history. The town's architectural beauty is enhanced by its stunning views of the surrounding countryside, creating a picturesque and timeless atmosphere. Visitors to Certaldo can wander through the town's streets, admiring the ancient stone buildings and stopping at cafes and shops along the way. The town's charm is also reflected in its vibrant local community, which preserves traditional customs and practices while embracing modern life. Certaldo's historical appeal makes it a favorite among travelers looking for an authentic Tuscan experience. Certaldo's hospitality is one of the town's most attractive qualities. The locals are known for their warmth and friendliness, making visitors feel welcome from the moment they arrive. Whether staying at a charming guest house or enjoying a meal at a local trattoria, visitors to Certaldo are treated with the utmost care and attention. The town's small size ensures that visitors can enjoy a more intimate and personal experience, with many of the locals taking the time to share their stories and traditions. The hospitality of Certaldo is part of what makes it such a special destination, as visitors are made to feel like part of the community during their stay. Certaldo also has a reputation for being a family-friendly destination, with activities and attractions suitable for visitors of all ages. The town's compact size makes it easy to navigate, even for families with young children. The medieval streets are safe and pedestrian-friendly, making it an ideal place for children to explore. There are also several parks and outdoor spaces where families can relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the area. Certaldo's slower pace of life makes it an excellent choice for families looking to experience the charm of Tuscany without the crowds and hustle of larger cities. Another notable feature of Certaldo is its historical preservation efforts. The town has worked hard to maintain its ancient architecture and ensure that its cultural heritage is preserved for future generations. Local authorities have taken measures to protect the town's historical buildings and sites, ensuring that the medieval character of Certaldo remains intact. This commitment to preservation is evident in the careful restoration of key buildings, such as the Palazzo Pretorio and the Casa di Boccaccio, which have been lovingly maintained to ensure that visitors can experience the town's history in its most authentic form. The climate in Certaldo is typical of Tuscany, with hot summers and mild winters, making it a great year-round destination. The town's location on a hill provides a cool breeze during the hot summer months, offering relief from the heat while still enjoying the warmth of the Italian sun. The surrounding countryside, with its olive groves and vineyards, creates a picturesque backdrop that adds to the town's charm. The mild winters make Certaldo a pleasant destination even in the off-season, with fewer tourists and a quieter atmosphere. This climate allows visitors to enjoy outdoor activities, such as hiking, cycling, or simply exploring the town's historic streets, year-round. The beautiful natural surroundings and temperate weather ensure that visitors can experience the best of Tuscany at any time of year, adding to the town's appeal as a perfect getaway destination. Certaldo is also famous for its distinctive local festivals that celebrate its cultural heritage and bring the community together. Among these, the most notable is the Certaldo Medieval Festival, where the town transforms into a medieval celebration with markets, historical reenactments, and traditional food and drink. This festival is a highlight for visitors seeking an immersive cultural experience, as it vividly brings to life the medieval past of the town. The streets are lined with stalls selling local crafts and treats, and the entire town gets involved in the festivities, with many people donning medieval costumes. The festival is one of the best ways to experience Certaldo's deep connection to its history, making it an essential event for anyone visiting during this time.